Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through the behind the scenes of creating a new website. Have you ever had your website, you look at your website and you're like, ugh, it's not where I want it to be, but I'm not good enough to get it there. So that's literally the story of my entire website progression. And I thought this is actually, I think, my third or fourth iteration of the website that I created for Leeway Design. And I market websites and I create websites for other people. And it's about time that I redid mine. So I wanted to show you a quick walkthrough as I audit my own website and then what I recreated and why. So this is my original website and I have a pineapple picture on here because I freaking love it. I don't know why, I just do. But you know what? It really doesn't have anything to do with what I'm selling. So what's good about this site is my logo is in the upper left-hand corner. Statistically, your eye will go from left across the top, down across the bottom, like a Z pattern. So the logo's there, which is great. There should be a call to action up here, but it's okay because at least I can see it right here. And it does speak to my customer. Ready to rock your marketing. That is a message that I'm trying to get to the person. Find your message, build your tribe, make an impact. The thing is, it's all pretty darn vague. It's not super specific and really to the point about what I want them to do. I think it's a good starting point. I also do not love the font. I don't think it looks that great, and you can see right here how it kind of overlaps with the pineapple a little bit. It's just not that aesthetically pleasing. So I do have 3 value adds: save time, save money, grow your business. They're super generic and not very direct, which is why I don't love them. Also, I do speak to the pain of my customer. So does online marketing make your brain hurt? I think it makes everybody's brain hurt. And so I'm calling out the things that I believe my customer struggles with, which is also good, but aesthetically and design-wise, this just isn't that pretty. It does the job, and I have gotten clients through my website. It's just not, it's still not marketing my brand the way I want to. So I also have this as well, save time and focus on your craft, and we're gonna help you sell it. Clarify your message, connect with your ideal clients, and make more money with a little description there for somebody who wants to dig into this a little bit more, level up my marketing. And this is just ugly, straight up, it's ugly. So is this. I really like the fact, this I had just put in here because somebody told me they didn't know how to subscribe to my blog. Again, ugly, I don't like it at all. And then the step 1, step 2, step 3, also just design, blech. So this is me trying to learn how to do it myself and not doing it as well as I could, but wanting to get my website just up in front of people. So I just published it and I don't love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and recreate my website in a design style that I think is a lot more effective. It's actually a heck of a lot simpler, but I think it communicates what I need a lot clearer going forward. So wanted to show you the before, and I will now show you the after. Hey guys, Jamie with Leeway Design here, showing you the after. I recreated my website, and I'm going to show you what I came up with. It's very different than the original. Okay, so here's my new website, completely different, and you're going to be like, well, there's like hardly anything here, but that's exactly the point. So I had a lot going on my first site, and I really had to focus on what is the point of my website? What do I want the user to do, and where do I want them to go? And I just made it super clear and super specific. So you can see right here, I have a call to action: review my website, review my website. Both these things will take the user to, so let's say I'm going to throw in an email address, review my website. I kept my pineapple because I freaking love it. So the purpose of my website is I want to grow my email list and also get in touch with customers by providing them a free website audit. So this is what I offer here: review my website, and then they can go ahead and do that. So do you love your website? If the answer is meh, it's all right, or heck no, then this is for you. So that's literally communicating to the person that I want to work with. There is some people who are going to look at that and be like, no, not my jam. Or some people are going to look at that and be like, yeah, I kind of need some help. That's the person I'm talking to, and I want to make that super clear in the beginning. Get a website you love, connect with your people, and I want people that want to make an impact to work with me, not just make more money. To me, business is about making a difference, and I love working with people that have the same mindset. So then there's a little quick blurb about Leeway Design and myself, and if they want to work with me, there's a link that will take them to a different location to go through and fill out an application to do so. And then down below, ready to get social with your business online, 4 steps. So super simple, super basic, not a lot of extra going on. Get a website you love, or are you looking to grow your audience? Are you looking to scale and automate your business? And then also there's a wait list for a course that I'm actually creating if someone's interested in going through that process as well. And super simple on the bottom, not a lot of extra. And I'm really happy with the way this website turned out for what I'm going for. It makes a lot of sense. And I thought you guys might enjoy seeing the process and the evolution of a before and after. It's kind of funny. I think websites evolve as your business evolves. So this will definitely change as I change the direction I go in the future. But for now, this is exactly what I wanted to do. Hopefully that's helpful. And if you have any questions, absolutely reach out. So subscribe to the YouTube channel or check me out on social media. Have a great day.